Okay, so today I'm going to demonstrate how to use advanced functions in Outlook email. So I'm on calendar right now, but I'm going to click the mail down here, and then I'm going to add, let's see, like I'm going to create a new message to show how to send a message later. So you type who it would be to in the subject. And then you can add assignment here. And then one way that if you want to send it later, you go up to send right here, press the drop down, and then press schedule send. And then you would click for when you wanted to send it. So if I wanted to send it tomorrow, I would click 10, and then I would send tomorrow, and I can choose a time if I wanted to send it at 9:30, and then I would press OK. And then that is how that would be done. And then for advanced options, to demonstrate that, I would click on one of the emails listed, and then to the side right here, I have an option to press the clock, and this will snooze the item. And I just click on it, and then I can choose when I would want to snooze an item, and I can choose a date that I would rather snooze it. And then if I want to move an email to somewhere else, I would go and click this file right here and click move file, and then I have the option to decide where I would want to move it, and if I want to move it to inbox or wherever, I would just choose that and then press move, and then it shows that it has been moved to the inbox. So those are just a couple of features of advanced features in Outlook.